Here I am in the middle of the latest golf course at Streamsong. It's taken 2 years to create. I was here all of last year. I did 1 million steps out in the field. I found so many shark's teeth and fossilized wood and all sorts of things. It was an amazing experience. I got to create a golf course next to all of my peers, and hopefully one that sits in the argument of which one is best here at Streamsong. This golf course, named after all of the fossils and relics that are out here, is not going to be called a color. It's going to be called Bone Valley.